When officers investigate a report of a woman being forcibly dragged into a hotel, a much darker story is revealed.
This is a man and a woman fighting in your door, and he was dragging her in.
Anybody with that name tracked in here?
To say like something is going on.
Oh, someone told you something was going on. You guys didn't see anything.
We haven't seen anything, and we just went there and we have seen the.
Oh, you went and looked. You didn't see anything.
We didn't see anything.
And you don't know what room would have like a man and a female, and you can't check the car. But
No.
you don't keep records. Okay. So they don't keep records of what car belongs to what room.
After checking the hotel system, they locate the room where the suspect is staying.
You want me to show the room?
No, we can find it.
Oh, you found a name? 104? Hey, how's it going, sir? Good, are you?
Hi.
Hey, we got called about a couple arguing outside. Okay. That ain't you guys? No.
Do you have a lady friend with you?
No, it's just me. It's
Is
just
it
you?
Okay.
Okay. You mind if we come in and check real quick?
And then we'll leave. Let's make sure there's not a lady that's injured.
Yeah, actually I do. You do what?
Yeah, I do mind.
You do mind?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I'm just gonna assume right now that there is somebody in there. Yeah.
You're not in any trouble. We just gotta make sure she's
we
okay.
just gotta make sure she's
Someone
okay,
said you had an
buddy, that's it.
argument out at the car, and we want to make sure everyone's okay. Okay.
That's it, buddy. That's it.
Is there anyone else in here? What are you on the monitor for?
GPS.
For what though?
Parole.
For what though?
Just,
What are you on parole for? Let's not make this more difficult.
I'm on parole for,
Is it like drugs? Okay. All right. Well, where's your lady friend?
I don't
Is
have
she in here?
a
Can I look in the bathroom? You want to step out and look in the bathroom?
no, you can get a warrant.
Okay. We need to make sure there's not an injured person. That's it.
Yeah, I mean, really, you can get a warrant.
Now you're making this worse than it has to be.
Come on, man. We're just gonna check for the lady, all right, man?
Yeah, don't make this, you don't jam yourself up. Hello?
Hey, babe. Yeah, I got it. Hey, man, move over.
Anyone injured?
While the audio becomes redacted for a short period of time, these two officers discover a woman in the bathroom with very visible injuries. The incident report we've gathered provides a clear account of the interaction these officers had with the woman after finding her in the shower. Officers observed she was wet and wearing a towel, with her hair in her face. She stated she was okay, but appeared upset and denied being injured. Officers asked several times if she wanted police services, but surprisingly denied that. As well, one of the officers then shined her flashlight toward the woman, which clearly showed the severity of one of her injuries. She had a very dark purple and black discoloration on her eye, along with a slight redness. The woman then became very upset and started crying, while this woman soon reveals what truly happened to her and how she got her injuries. They are interrupted by Lewis, who is attempting to leave the scene.
Come on, man. We're literally just because a guy matching your description pulled in a lady inside. That's why we're here. That's all.
No, this is,
Okay. Is there somebody inside or no?
yeah, my girlfriend.
Okay. All right. Is she okay? If she's okay, we're leaving.
Yeah.
We're leaving.
Yeah,
That's
she's
literally
fine,
it. That's
man.
literally it. Okay. All right.
All right, I'm leaving, man.
Oh, no, hold up. You can't leave, okay?
Yeah, no, I
was-
can't. No, yes, I can. 'Cause
Where-
I'm not on arrest.
Right now, we are investigating a domestic situation. That means
No.
you can't leave. If you try to walk out, right? I've been nice to you by following you out here, dude. But if you walk away from me now, I gotta put you in cuffs, okay?
All right, fine.
All right, so just stay here, all right?
Fine.
So tell me, what did something happen, or did they just call because it's all bull?
It's all bullshit.
All
I mean,
bullshit.
it's her ex-boyfriend. That's the problem.
Okay. What's he doing to her, or to you guys, I should say?
He's threatened me with whatever you. I mean, never mind.
It's okay.
You guys ain't gonna believe it anyways.
Have a good night.
I'm only asking. To be honest, I don't want to be here, dude. It's hot. I'm trying to get food. You know what I'm saying?
I picked her up and she had a black eye,
Okay.
and I got pissed off.
Okay.
I'm like, I don't want anything to do with him. Nothing.
Okay. See, that's all you want to know, man. That's it. You just want to walk back then, or it'll be faster. Let's walk back over here. It'll be faster. Hold on. We can't actually go inside. We just gotta stay.
Can you grab my shoe then before I
Where's the shoe? Huh? Okay. All right. So for now we're gonna attend you. All right, buddy?
No, we're not joking.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
Hey, stop! Stop running! Stop running! I'm gonna take you! Stop running! I'm gonna take you if you keep running! Stop running! Stop!
You're under arrest.
Take you! Leave him alone!
Hey. You're under arrest, all right? You're under arrest. Let me go, okay? All right? Okay.
I got one. Use the other hand. Stop!
You're under arrest,
Stop
okay?
resisting!
Okay, stop f***ing resisting. Okay?
Get your butt is king. Alright. Alright.
You son of a
Hold on, I'm squeezing my finger. Okay.
Sorry. All right, buddy, you are under arrest for aggravated battery to a PO for resisting, obstructing. Okay?
I'll pull up my car.
No, here, pull on mine. I didn't touch her. Shut up, dude. If you didn't touch her, why'd you run? Here, pull on mine.
You know what? I didn't touch her.
Oh! Hey, relax. Hey, what's your name, man? What's your name? What's your name? Was it? Hey, Mr.
No! You asshole. Oh!
You're back up, or else you can.
I didn't touch her. That was him.
I don't touch her.
Oh, we'll talk about it, but you didn't have to run out and make it worse.
You also didn't have to grapple me, right, man?
You just made it worse.
Yeah, I did.
But you just
No,
made it
dude.
worse.
Why do you think I was punching you, all right? You can't grapple an officer, buddy.
You just made it worse. If you,
You
didn't,
can?
all right, I'm
Okay.
getting off you. No more fighting.
All right,
Don't
ready,
make,
man?
don't make whatever you know.
Touch your feet.
Two. Down right here. Right here. Right, man. Don't move or else. Hey, hold on. I gotta pick up the other one. Alright, I got to get you on this.
I didn't touch her. I didn't touch her, man.
Hey, you want me to take them off or not? Yes or no?
I didn't fucking touch her, man.
Okay, I keep them on. Alright?
I didn't kill her. Haha. I'm out of my seatbelt, assholes.
You all right? Oh, you got dressed? Okay. He's going to jail.
We now get the full story from the woman about what really happened to her. She said she had been staying with Iwis for around 5 days. She wanted to leave on several occasions, but he threatened to hurt her and slit her throat if she did. She said Lewis and her had an altercation in the parking lot. Due to her attempting to leave, he then forced her back inside the hotel and punched her 13 times in the head and face. She informed the officer that Lewis forces her to provide a fake name if they have police interaction. She then provided the officer her correct name. She then stated Lewis has battered her before and has informed police. But nothing ever helps because his mother is a judge. She said she has several phones, but only one works, and Lewis took it from her that very same day prior to the officer's arrival, so she couldn't call them. She also showed officers another phone that wasn't working, which Lewis previously told her that he broke the phone, didn't appear damaged, but it would not turn on. The woman still refused ambulance services, but continued complaining of severe face and head pain. Officers instructed her many times to call for an ambulance at any time in the future. If she changed her mind, she assured them she would call back if she needed, and that she was comfortable staying in the hotel room. Meanwhile, Lewis is transported to jail.
Well, your bitch too. Come on, man. Hurry the up. This is bullshit. I didn't touch it. What if I kill her? How about that? I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill your mother. Everybody. Fuck you, bitch.
I'm bleeding a bit, so be careful. Hey, man, you gonna be cool? You gonna be cool? You gonna be cool?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my word. Oh my word right now.
Lewis was charged with interference with reporting of domestic violence, resisting a peace officer, unlawful restraint domestic battery, and aggravated battery on a peace officer. Illinois court records indicate that he has an extensive criminal history. Will County records indicate he was set a $200,000 bail. However, after 2 months in jail, the judge ordered Lewis to be released on AO bond. A week later, Lewis failed to show up to court and a warrant was issued for his arrest. Then in November 2023, he was apprehended on the warrant for failing to appear in court. He then remained in jail for 2 more months until early 2024, when the Illinois Safety Act went into place, requiring most defendants to be released without needing to place a bond court. Records indicate he pled guilty to felony domestic assault and felony assault on an officer that January. He was referred to a diversion program and released from custody. Lewis has promised the court he will come back for drug testing.